Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 106 Linden Avenue in the village of Newark.
This is a fantastic brickfront ranch, the one you have been waiting for. So let's take a tour.
This is one-floor living at its best. This home welcomes you with a beautiful living room that leads to an entertainment-sized dining or family room with a gas fireplace and an immaculate eat-in kitchen with beautiful cabinetry and a breakfast bar.
This ranch home offers 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 updated bathrooms, and a laundry, including this fantastic master suite and a spectacular sunroom with a wall of windows to take in those beautiful garden views.
This property is landscaped to perfection and even has a garden.
Linden Avenue is a neighborhood of very fine homes.
Newark provides an easy commute, located in the crossroads between Rochester and Syracuse.
Here we are in the village of Newark.
Newark has great restaurants and shops, located on the historic Erie Canal. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 106 Linden Avenue in the village of Newark.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!